In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add page numbers in Adobe Acrobat Pro. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to place clean, consistent page numbers anywhere in your PDF. First, launch Adobe Acrobat on your device. Give it a moment to load. Interfaces can vary slightly by version, but the tools you need are in the same general place. Make sure you're using Acrobat Pro since the features we'll use live in the Pro toolset, not just the basic reader. Next, open the PDF you want to number in Acrobat Pro. If you have multiple documents open, confirm you're on the correct tab before proceeding. It's a good idea to check the page thumbnails on the left so you have a sense of how many pages you're working with and whether there's a cover or title page you might want to treat differently. Now go to All Tools on the global bar, then choose Edit a PDF. This switches you into the editing workspace and reveals options that affect the document's layout, including headers and footers. If you don't see All Tools right away, expand your window or look for the All Tools button near the left side of the toolbar. From there, select Header and Footer, then choose Add. This opens a dialog where you'll configure exactly how and where your page numbers will appear. You'll notice 6 placement boxes arranged to represent the header and footer areas: left, center, and right at the top, and left, center, and right at the bottom. Click inside the box that matches where you want your numbers to go. For example, center footer text if you want them at the bottom center, or right header text if you prefer them in the top right corner. You can preview your choice within the dialog. If you see your numbers overlapping content in the preview area, plan to nudge the margins or adjust font size in this same window before you finalize. Next, click the Insert Page Number button located just below those position boxes. Acrobat will place a placeholder that looks like double-angle brackets with a number, such as "or" in the box you selected. That placeholder tells Acrobat to auto-increment the number on each page. If you like, you can add surrounding text right in the same box, typing something like "page" before the placeholder, to create labels such as "page 1", "page 2", and so on. When everything looks right, click OK to permanently apply the page numbers to your document. Acrobat will process the PDF and add the numbers throughout. Give it a quick scan to confirm the placement is clean and readable, and you're done.